Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have a Macys Beauty Box for the month of February. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I must say the Macys Beauty Boxes are one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes out of all of them that I do. I must say they just have cool stuff in their boxes. I've had some interesting ones to say the less. If you guys follow my channel, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm excited to see what I got this month. I'm proud of myself because normally I'm so behind with my makeup subscription boxes because I get so many, but I actually only have technically 3 more left to go. So I'm going to do this one, and then as per all my other videos, I do 2 in the same day. So I'm finally going to fill my Birch box. And then I'll have 1 behind. I apologize, guys, but I still have to do my the Medusas. 1 I didn't even do last month. I always leave this to the last. I don't know why, but like I always end up not finishing those 2. So that one I'm probably going to film that one on March 1st, and it's going to be the February bag. But forgive me, I'm proud of myself. At least I caught up for the most part. You know, I made it to the very end, but I made it. And then in fairness, February is the shortest month of the year. So technically, if I had 31 days to film everything, I would have had everything filmed for you guys. So kudos to myself. I'm getting there. As I said, I do have a full-time job. So, and this is like a full-time job in itself as well. And I do this because I love doing this. But sometimes it is hard having a full-time job and doing this as well, because I'm normally tired when I come home from work, as I'm sure anybody else would be. But thank you guys again, as always, for your patience. And we're going to get into the video. But if you are new and you do like makeup subscription boxes, you like mystery boxes, makeup hauls and stuff to that extent, then I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. So let's dig in. So this is what the box looks like. And let's give you guys a sneak peek as always. So this is your sneak peek. I see this, a little card, the card that tells you what's in your box, and some tissue paper. She always gives a bag. We got a bag for this month. I normally don't like any bags that I ever get, but let's see what this one's about. So it says Beauty Essentials. There's nothing in here. It's just like a little pouch satchel bag. So this is what she looks like. And then it tells you what you got in your bag. And then as per always, they give you $5 off in a Macys store. Or I think you can use this online as well. Yes, or online. So you can use this on anything. $5 off anything in Macys Cosmetics. Honestly, I have to start keeping this in my car because these always expire me. I haven't used any of these $5 off since I've gotten them. I'm really bad when it comes to coupons. Like, I'll be in the store and I'm like,
oh, I have a coupon for that, but just I'll use it next time.
And before you know it, like the coupon expires. So I have to make this a habit of as soon as I'm done putting this either in my wallet or in my car. So that way when I'm actually in Macys, which is practically never, but the rare chance that I am in Macys, I have the coupon to use. So let's see what's in this tissue paper. And I didn't really look too hard at this to see what's in here, but they tell you everything that's in here as well on the card. Alrighty, let's see. Okay. I don't really see any makeup in here. Alrighty, so we'll start off with this. What is this? Chamomile Eye Oil. Alright, so we get this lovely chamomile eye oil. Let's smell it to see if it smells like chamomile. It does smell like chamomile, but like, place 1 drop on your fingerly, gently press around eye orbit. Also, I guess you just put it around the eye. I guess if somebody's eye is oily, then they can use this. Like, I mean, if their eyes is oily, if under their eyes is dry, I guess you can use that. I'm giving this away. The next thing I got is from Caudalie. It's a radiant serum. I'm giving this away too. Let me see if I have prices for you guys. So it says that Sundari Chamomile Eye Oil, full size of this is $49. Full size of this is $79. The next thing I got is a Elemis Papaya Enzyme pill. I got this full size in one of my makeup subscription boxes this month. I mentioned this in my last video. Like, I noticed like a lot of the makeup subscription boxes, they all have the same stuff around the same time. Like, I got like 2 makeup like eyeshadow, like the greasy ones, like the cream, and I don't really like that liquidy, like it was like a liquid shadow, like a wet look. So I got 2 of them. I got them. What is the odds that you get 2 of the same things from different makeup subscription boxes? So now I got 2 of the same thing again, but now skincare. Elemis is a very popular brand, so somebody's going to be happy to get this because it their stuff is very good quality. I just have one already. I got the full size, I think, of this that I didn't even use, so giving that away. Then this is the only thing I think I'm going to keep. It's the First Aid Beauty Intense Hydration for Dry Packed Skin. You can use this for your body. I love First Aid Beauty, especially like their Ultra Repair Cream. Because you can use this like all over. I believe you can use this on your, need it for head to toe throughout the day. So you can use this all over. So I'm excited for this. The next thing I got is from Dr. Perricone. It's a hydrating eye cream. Obviously travel size. Everything from here is like travel size, sample size. The box is only $15 and you get $5 back. So they're not going to give anything. I think even just to get the $5 off any makeup product in Macy's makes it kind of worth it. And if you apparently you like skincare, because I got a lot of skincare in here. I got a fragrance from Clean. I like when they give fragrance samples though. I do like that. Let's smell this fragrance. This is by the brand Clean. And it has like flowers on here. And I actually love the smell of like flowers. So I learned the hard way that never spray it on yourself, because if you hate the smell, you're stuck with the smell on you. So I always spray the card now. Oh my. Ooh. No, thank you. I think a little got on my hand. Gross. So I do not like the woody, any type of thing in a woody family. And I should have read this because it says it's in the woody family. So I got misled by the flowers, thinking that it was going to be like a floral scent, because this smells very, very woody. It says it's supposed to smell like rain. Clean Reserve Avant Garden Collection. I only smell like that woody smell. To me, this is my opinion, so don't come for me because this is my channel, so we're allowed to have our own opinion, right? I feel like woody scents don't smell like feminine to me. It smells like a little bit like more like manly, which is fine because everybody's entitled to like what they like. I'm sure there's thousands and millions of people who like the wood, but for me, I'm
very girly girl.
So I like to smell like flowers and citrusy and sweet smelling. I don't like musky and woody scents at all. So this was a no-go. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe I'll still give it away. The subscribers will still have some of this in here. And that was it. Guys, for everyone who follows my channel and is subscribed to me, this was a bad month for makeup subscription boxes. The majority of my boxes were skincare heavy. I just did my Allure. I did my, what else? I have so many, I forget, guys. What else did I do? I did my Look Fantastic. I did my Glossy box. Or I feel like all of my makeup subscription boxes were skincare heavy. And like, is it just me, or like, I don't want to sound like ungrateful. I mean, it's not like somebody's paying for this. I pay for this myself. So I'm grateful for myself. Thank you, Aisha, for buying it for yourself. But I just feel like I miss like back in the day when it was like you got makeup in a makeup subscription box. You got makeup in a beauty subscription box. Like, I don't think anybody's like, look at this. Not one makeup item. Not one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. So you definitely, and you get the $5 off. So I definitely got my $15 worth. But, I feel like that's $15 I could have spent. I could have got Starbucks. Starbucks is hefty. I could have got, some Starbucks. That could have been 2 days worth of Starbucks. I could have got my caramel macchiato or something, So, this is going to be, a 0. This gets out of 1 out of 10. It gets a 0 because I didn't like one thing in here. I will definitely use this First Aid Beauty, but I have like 10 of them because Ipsy gave a lot of these. And I got some in my Birch box. I get a lot of these in subscription boxes. I mean, I use it, but I didn't really need it or want it. So there was nothing in here that was speaking to me. And it gets a 0. Want to know why it gets a 0? Because it was no makeup. Zip 0. So, disappointed yet again. Very disappointed in this box. Yeah. So, what do you guys think of this? Like, how do you guys feel about these subscriptions? Like, people are going to just stop subscribing if it's going to always be, there should be at least one makeup item. At least. In a beauty subscription, box, how is there no makeup? Like honestly and truly, it's mind-boggling to me. It's mind-boggling. Yeah, so I'm very disappointed with this, but beggars can be choosers, and this is what you get when you do makeup subscription boxes. So I'm not mad. I ain't mad at all. And I do have a channel. You guys know I always do giveaways when I reach the milestones that I'm trying to achieve. I had a big giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. I had another giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. I had a giveaway for my Jeffree Store mystery box. And my next one is, like I said, is going to be when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I do give away a lot to show my appreciation for my subscribers, because I do appreciate you guys. But this was a yeah, no go. So anyway, that was it. I'm about to turn the camera off and turn it back on and do my Birch box subscription box. And please let it not be all skincare in here. Please. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!